Hello and welcome back. Now it's time to have some action. We are going to talk about Docker logs. So let's start. As always, we are going to start with introduction first. Docker logs is built-in command line tool that allows you to retrieve the logs of any running container. Whatever the container you have, if the container will generate any logs on screen or on prompt, you will get it using Docker logs. It is a straightforward way to access the output generated by your container, including any errors or important event. Practical will give you better understanding about this for sure. Now, why we need to use this? Key features of Docker logs. Instant access to Docker logs, no additional setup, you do not need to install any additional application. It is really very straightforward process. Yes, it is having some limitation. We will definitely discuss about this limitation, but it is really very straightforward process to get logs. Useful for basic understanding and monitoring container output. So, let's go with the practical directly. The first thing first is, if you want to check logs of any container, the command is docker logs and then the container name or container ID. Now here I have one example. First of all, I am going to create one container. So here I am in my Docker host and here I am going to create container. Now, as you know that I am creating this container is using Nginx image, means it is a web server. We are creating this container in a detached mode, means the container will start in background and we are actually publishing port number 80. So web server will be accessible from the port number 80 of my Docker host. Now I just created container. Now if I want to see logs of this container, what I can do, we can use command docker logs. Okay. So let's do one thing, docker logs. You can also give container name, like the container name is Nginx demo. So here we have these logs. Now, this is Nginx container, right? Now, if you access website from this container, it will definitely provide you detail about your web access. Who is accessing your website? It will generate log about request type. It will also provide you detail about IP address, like who is accessing this website. Okay. Now we want to test this. How? So what I am doing, I am going to use this Docker host public IP in order to access website. Okay. Let's paste it over here. We are actually using port number 80. So I'm just going to use default port http:// Okay. Now look at this. I'm able to open this website. Let me test it again because I just want to verify that I have port number 80 allowed in the security group or not. See, I don't have, so how I can access this website, right? So what I'm doing, maybe it is coming from the cache. So let me open this into the incognito tab. Look at this. I'm not able to open this website. See, continue site, even it is not allowing me. Okay. So how I can verify this? See, first of all, right now you guys are aware about this. Look at this. In this security group, I don't have port number 80 allowed. That's why I'm not able to open this, right? But how you can troubleshoot these things? Okay. So let me explain you. See, if you go to your Docker host and if you give this command docker logs Nginx demo again, after requesting for web page, you are not getting any log. So here, are you getting any new logs? It was first before and this is after. We are not getting any logs. It means my container is not getting request. It means there is something which is actually preventing this request and not able to send this request to the specific container. Because if it is coming over here, then it will definitely generate any type of logs which is not actually generated. It means Docker container, Nginx container is completely unaware about this. It means there is something which is preventing this, right? So, as you know that we have clear idea about it. in our security group of our Docker host, we don't have port number 80 allowed. So I'm just going to add this, right? HTTP. Now, the block has been removed. Okay. Now let me open website. See, I'm able to open website. When you open this website, it means your Docker container, your Nginx container is actually generating logs. How you can find it out? See here, give command again. Docker logs, Nginx demo, and look at this. My container got requests 4 times. Right? And we are also getting detail like 119, 160, 192, 131. Actually, all these logs are actually generated with all these logs generated by your Nginx container on its screen. But using Docker logs, we are getting this details over here in the screen of Docker host. Right? If I will send request again, let's say that 1, 2, 3.
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Shatara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.